Do you like making cookies with your mom and dad? I'll teach you how to make cookies by yourself. Today we're making 1 bowl breakfast bowl cookies. You'll need cinnamon, trail mix, a fork, a spoon, a measuring cup, flax seeds or chia seeds, a banana, and oats. If you want to cook with me, go get your stuff and remember to wash your hands. If you're using anything hot or sharp, go get an adult. They like to feel important. First, you get the banana and you peel it. It's brown because my banana is brown because it's been in the fridge. Then, once you peeled the banana, you put it in the bowl. Then you take the fork and you mash it up, which it is a little hard for me. And you can build your muscles by doing this. And you mash it until it's all mushy. If you stir it up a little bit, it helps too. Or instead of bananas, you can use applesauce and just pour the and put a little bit of applesauce in the bowl, instead of making your muscles stronger and mashing a banana. And it's about 1/4 cup of applesauce. When you're done, it should look closer to this. Then put your fork aside and you can put some flax seeds or chia seeds, a spoonful of flax seeds or chia seeds, in the bowl along with the mashed banana. Then you put all the other stuff in the bowl. Just a little bit of cinnamon. And I like lots of raisins, because I love raisins. Then, if you get to the oats, you just do 1 scoop. With the measuring cup, you do 1 scoop of oats. Then, you can stir it all up. The banana just helps it stay together. Stir it up until it looks like it's all like together, like a cookie. It should look like this when you're done. And then smash it down if you want to make it a cookie. Or you could just eat it. And then, if you want it to be a cookie, you smash it down and go put it in the refrigerator for 2 minutes. I meant microwave. You put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Be careful when you take it out of the microwave. The bowl might be hot. When you take it out of the microwave, it should look like this. It kind of looks like a cookie, doesn't it? Then, after it cools off, you can roll it into a ball or do whatever you want and put it on a plate and then eat it. Bye! Do you want to learn how to make healthy foods without a grown-up? I'm Cora and I can teach you.